Alright, y'all. I bought her a car. Alright, y'all. What's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. We appreciate all the subscribers, all of the likes that we've been getting on our videos. But right now, it is a special moment. It is our anniversary today, and your boy did something wild. Yes, I bought her a car. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go check out her reaction. I'm on my way home right now. Got a bow in the trunk, and I think she's gonna cry. Probably not, but we'll see. This is dope. I never thought that I would be able to do this for my wife, and today it's finally happening that I bought her a car for our anniversary and for our child that's going to be born and all that jazz. And it's super dope. It's exactly what she wanted. The colors and everything, but we'll do a montage later for sure, show you guys what it looks like. But for right now, I'm gonna head home, put the bow in the car, surprise her, and of course, you guys are coming with me. So stay tuned for that. Again, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and we do appreciate all of support, and thank you always for joining, and hope you guys are enjoying the journey that we are currently on. Appreciate all y'all. See y'all in a bit. Alright, so we're about 5-7 minutes out from the house. I've been thinking about how I'm going to surprise her. I do not know how, but I'm probably just gonna do the blindfold, walk her outside, have the bow on the car, take the blindfold off, and she sees the car and she passes out. That'll be ideal. I also gotta stop and get flowers, so that'll be the game plan. But this car drives so good. Like, it's so smooth and really good. Just a side note, this is my first time ever buying a brand new 0 miles vehicle, and it's for my beautiful, gorgeous, hardworking wife and soon-to-be mother. Baby girl, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. And I know you don't care about gifts, but your husband does, and I love giving them. And I hope you love this gift as much as I love you. Probably not, because you love me a lot, but it's all good. You know exactly what I mean. I love you so much, mamas. And yeah, happy anniversary.
Okay. It's okay, just breathe.
Why? Come on.
Are people looking at us?
No.
Oh my god. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are they gonna think you're kidnapping me?
No. Come on, love, I'm right here.
Oh my gosh.
Can you see?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
What's happening?
Come on. I'm right here, love. Just hold my hand. You're walking through the grass.
What grass?
The grass at our house.
Oh.
Come.
God.
Come.
I'm nervous. I'm gonna throw up.
Come. Come. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Jason.
Okay,
what
turn around.
Do? What'd you do?
Turn around.
What'd you do?
Just stand right here. Do not move. You hear?
Yes.
Okay. Don't move. Okay. Do not turn around, but you can open the blindfold. Do not turn around.
Oh, yay, roses.
Hold it. Okay, look through the roses.
No, you didn't.
Okay, now you can turn around.
No, you didn't.
Turn around.
No, you didn't.
Turn around.
No, you didn't. No,
turn
you
around,
didn't. No, you
love.
didn't. No, you didn't.
Can
no,
you turn
didn't.
around,
no,
please?
You didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Can you turn around, please?
Oh, no, I'm scared.
Turn around.
Are you serious?
Come here.
Babe, you're crazy. Hold up.
These are yours. These are yours. This is your new vehicle. No more with that. This is yours. Okay?
What the freak?
Are you surprised?
I'm super surprised.
Hey, get in your new car. Are you gonna cry?
Babe, what the heck?
Are you crying?
No, I'm not gonna cry. No, you didn't.
The new car smell? But wait. We have one more thing.
Oh my gosh.
So what do we have to do?
A montage?
We gotta hit y'all with a montage.
Complete shock.
Are you shocked?
Yes, I have a lot of questions.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can do that too.
It's not a rental.
Right. Like, oh my gosh. Is this the same one that Christine has? It's different, right?
Yeah.
That's the brand
You.
new version.
What year?
This is a 2019 Jeep Compass. All yours, mamas. Right
What
back
did
there.
I do to deserve
Right
this?
back there. Right back there is where the baby goes. So you get in the car, put your foot on the brake. You don't gotta close the door. Put your foot on the brake.
This is crazy. I'm like in
She's like, where's the rental? The rental
right. I'm like,
paperwork."
where's the marker? Where's the?
Okay, it's a prank.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's a prank.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Not a rental. I was on FaceTime and it's not a rental, I promise.
This is crazy.
Okay, so
How many miles are on
So
it?
welcome to.
This is freaking
Okay,
crazy.
so tell the Smithingtons how you feel.
I'm in complete shock. Like, I want to call my mom right now. This is crazy.
Oh, Career.
All right, so your boy did it. Pulled
is
off the
unreal.
surprise. All day I've been planning it. I've been planning this for, I already told you guys on the way here, I've been planning this for months.
You've been planning for months?
She deserves it. And she works hard. And I love her. And I give a lot of gifts.
You're so freaking, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not.
Last year we did what, an iPhone X and an Apple Watch.
Yeah, for Valentine's.
This year I guess it's a little, I guess I gotta step it up a little bit.
A little bit. Where do you go from here?
A house.
Right.
Whoa.
That's all you can do next.
I think I did it.
You did it, brother.
All right, so we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys, and she clearly loves this surprise. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace.